Look at the hills.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Can we pick flowers?
Of course, dear.
Wow, the cows are going to the field.
Yes, let's open the gate.
Here they come.
So many cows.
What a lovely sight.
You're getting so much milk today.
Wow, look at
Can
that.
I try next time?
Of course.
Such a lovely day.
What a beautiful day.
It certainly is.
Let's enjoy our walk. A lovely day for it.
What a beautiful day for a walk.
It is. The children are so happy.
I love carrying the milk. Me too.
All done.
Wonderful. Let's get it ready.
Can I help? Yay!
Such a lovely day.
Is this enough water for the stew?
Yes, Mama. It smells so good.
Perfect. I'll add it now.
Of course, dear.
This batter is coming together nicely.
The bread is ready when you are.
It smells so good.
Everything looks wonderful, dear.
Here are some eggs, dear.
Wow, thanks, Mom. Can I have some too?
This looks wonderful.
Breakfast is ready.
Thank you.
This is great.
It's a lovely morning.
It is. Perfect for a walk
Let's
later.
do it.
All right, who wants some fresh milk?
Me, please.
Thank you, dear.
I do.
Such a lovely day.
There you go.
Perfect.
What a lovely day for a walk.
It certainly is. The fields look wonderful.
The flowers are so pretty.
What a beautiful day for a walk.
Yes, Dad. Can we see the sheep?
Of course, dear. They're just over the hill. What a beautiful day for a walk.
Grandma, are you coming?
You go on ahead, dears.
What a beautiful day.
Perfect day for a walk.
Can we pick some flowers?
Of course.
But don't stray too far.
Look, a kitty.
Go get it, boy.
Be careful now.
Nice. Let's go. The market's this way.
All right, lead the way.
What a beautiful day for a walk. Indeed, my dear. Here you go. One for you.
Wow, thank you.
Lovely day for a walk.
Let's head home. There we go, nice and steady.
Wow, so much milk. Can I have some?
Of course, dear.
Such a lovely sight.
What a lovely day for a walk.
It certainly is. The children are so happy.
What a beautiful day.
It is. The air is so
Oh,
fresh.
the flowers are
A
dancing.
perfect day for a stroll.
What a beautiful day for a walk.
It is. The children are so happy.
Look at the birds, Mama, and the sheep.
What a lovely day for a walk.
They're so fast.
We've picked so many apples.
A beautiful day. Look at this beautiful pear.
Wow, can I have one?
Plenty for everyone.
Such a lovely day.
Grandma, we're home.
Welcome back, my dears. We brought apples from the orchard.
I picked the reddest one. Wow, look at all the vegetables.
You worked so hard, dear. Let's get these inside.
I picked a flower for you.